Hello and welcome to Hemmings Garage Overtime. My name is Junior Nevison. Today we're going to be putting the finishing touches on our 69 Chevelle that's headed out to the Great Race. We need to sticker it up, we need to get an inspection done today, and also need to fix this window. So we can't really slam the door shut. We have a little overlap here on my glass. And this is just kind of one of those projects I've been avoiding, but time to get into it. All right, so I don't know exactly which window needs to be adjusted, so I'm going to put the top up and look at all the lines and see which one's exactly off. Unfortunately, I ran out of time to fix our power convertible top, so for the present, it's a manual convertible top. And the easiest way I have found, being by yourself, is to do it that way. And it actually looks like this one actually needs to shift back a little bit. So we have a pretty good alignment up here at the front on the windshield. But we have a fair amount of gap right there. Thankfully, GM has these nice little hooks here. You have to basically push the seat back, lift it up, and then pull it forward, and out it comes. Then there is just two retaining bolts down here at the bottom, one on each side. Helps if you get the right size socket. Up. Out comes the seat back. And this is the panel that we need to get to. And most of your American cars use a clip to hold this in. So to reinstall it, all you do is put the clip in. You can see the little indents. There's a little bevel on that, so you just push it back on in place. And if you do one at a time, when you put it back on, you can make sure it matches with the other side of the car, so you don't have a bunch of wonky hand cranks. So that keeps you on. All right. So, where is our adjustment? So it looks like right here we have a slot there, and a slot there. So it looks like if I undo this and drop it down, it may rotate that back. Well, we gained a little bit, about half of what we need, but it looks like I need the assembly to move back now. These two bolts up here do double duty. Not only do they adjust the whole assembly this way, but the top bracket is slotted to go that way. For the squeamish, you may want to look away. Still not giving me what I want. Bring it down a little bit in case you're limiting travel. Oh, there we go. That's all the way up. Biscuit. Got the cameraman on that one. We're gonna sticker this up, but we're gonna cover our numbers here with some magnets, so when we take the stickers off, we won't be damaging what's underneath. We've already gone through and gave it a ceramic wax. Help release all the Great Race stickers when we're done. That matches the lines on the car. Did I actually just do that without any air bubbles? I think I did. I can live with that. The Hemmings stickers, we had to change these this year, and they were going to be offered at the Great Race, but since we have an inside line, we have them here. So I'm going to install this. It'll be the last sticker on the car, and then it'll be on the transporter and heading to St. Augustine, Florida to start the Great Race for 2023. There it is. She's done, ready to go. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, and as always, thank you for watching.